dance, I'll dance. And if you don't, I'll dance anyway.
Hi all, so today I am going to be doing a makeup video, but instead of like the normal makeup video where I'm just like talking about makeup, I am going to be reading some crazy Reddit stories because there are some crazy Reddit stories online, and yeah, that's about it. So the first story says, ex-girlfriend tried to hit me with her car, chased me down an alley in which a fence too high to jump was on one side and condos on the other. Dang. Proceeded to call me next day at work and tell me that I looked like a sexy cheater running away from her car.
That's true.
Sexy cheater. Really? No, this girl is crazy. Like,
she's not crazy. She just, you know, she has a big heart. She's very warm.
how is she not in jail? I mean, this is someone that could probably break your legs and be like, you look so sexy, crippled. So that's why she broke your legs. Like, my high school girlfriend told me she had cancer after our first date. She asked me not to tell anyone and that her parents got really upset if it was mentioned. So to not talk about it with anyone, I dated her for 6 months. She turned herself anorexic to appear sickly. Yo!
What is wrong with you?
Once I started making friends, no one understood why I was with her and I kept her secret. Well, I finally put 2 and 2 together. After she told me she was going in for chemo on a Monday, she said she wasn't going to be at school for at least a week. I caught her trying to hide from me before the first class, and I asked her how her chemo went. She said it went so well and that all her hair fell out. But they sewed it all together and sewed the wig to her head.
Great story. Compelling and rich.
I feel like that was so... I mean, for the guy to believe such a story, he has to be like really like gullible, because really, I mean, you couldn't tell anyone about it and you couldn't even talk about it with her parents. Like, nah, that is crazy, and I think he's actually really gullible to fall for it, and for her to actually turn herself anorexic to make him believe them. Nah, this girl can do anything. Okay, so the next one says, I have two. First one was a girl I'd been seeing for a few months. I was 21, she was 24, and had a boy about 2 years old. She was basically normal, had a good job, took care of the kid okay. She was kind of a dim bulb though, which means she was not very bright. I was bored in the relationship and didn't want to become stepdad to the kid, so I ended it. No problem. Run into her a month or so later at a bar, and we end up going back to her place for a night of sex.
Yeah, baby.
Next morning, she makes coffee and breakfast. I go to school. She goes to work. I get incredibly sick on the way to school. Throw up multiple times. Make it to school, still puking. Find the nurse or medical office and vaguely recall being loaded into an ambulance. Come to in the hospital. A doc tells me I OD'd on an enormous amount of meth and had about 5 minutes left to live before they figured it out.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
Oh, by the way, there are some federal agents here to talk to you. No freaking way. Turns out she had planned this whole thing and decided that if she couldn't have me, no one could. She went to jail but got a reduced sentence for turning on the family member that was making and distributing the meth. Where do people find these crazy people? Sometimes I'm like, is it that they don't show their crazies while they are in relationship? Do they somehow like hide that crazy part of them? Because like, when I read these stories of like exes, I'm like, you really didn't see this coming. Were they really just that good at hiding their crazy part? You really didn't see this coming, like, for real. Okay, so like I am literally doing 3 things while I'm making this video. I am recording a YouTube video, I am reading from my tablet the crazy Reddit stories, and at the same time I'm also taking pictures for a kind of real stroke TikTok kind of collage thingy. I don't know, you can check out my socials and you see it when I do post it, but it's like I am multitasking to the max, and it is so not easy because I literally put foundation on my brows, like over here. I don't know if you can see it, but I did, and I was like, okay, I need to calm down, if not I'm going to mess up this makeup, and that will not be funny. You know what's crazy? Whenever I am about to do my makeup, I'm like, okay, my skin looks crazy, it looks so not it right now, but when I start putting on like foundation and stuff, it just feels like my skin is so smooth, and I'm like, where did all this come from? Because, you know, it wasn't there like a second ago, and all of a sudden my skin is looking so smooth and shit. It's kind of weird, but I don't mind. Second one, still like the same guy from the former story I read. He says, not as bad, dated casually for a few weeks, decided she wasn't for me, so I called it off. I had to call a week or so later saying I gave her gonorrhea. What the fuck? Go to the doc, get tested with a thing down Mr. P-hole. Ow. Okay, I have to imagine that hot. Like maybe they like how to put it. Oh damn, that's crazy. Results come back, I'm clean. It then comes back to me that it was just revenge for breaking up with her. She was going to tell me she was pregnant and make me pay for the abortion, but was talked out of that by her best friend. I would have rather paid the money. For today's makeup look, I'm going to be trying something different, and that will be applying contour to my face. Now, if you watch my previous makeup video, you hear me say that I don't apply like contour because I just don't know how to use it, and I just always felt like it was a bit too much on my face. I usually use a powder bronzer, but today I am using contour because, you know, I was like, I've been playing it safe in my makeup, and I actually want to explore and do different things and just, you know, see what my face could actually work with apart from my everyday normal makeup. And that's basically the reason for this whole makeup look. I found this contour stick I got like a long time ago, and I don't even know what it looks like on my skin. I don't think it was the best thing out there, but I'm not really going anywhere. This whole makeup look is for like this YouTube video, and I just really want to try a different makeup look and see what it looks like. So yeah, I really don't mind if this outcome is not the best. It's like, you know, experimental. So I'm not really sure where people apply contour, but nowadays I see people apply it like really high up on their cheekbones. So that is what I'm going to do, like this. I'm so scared. You can't really see. This contour stick is more red than brown, and I have a lot of redness on my skin, so it might not be for the best, but let's just see how it goes. The one thing I know that I don't know how to do is contouring my nose. I look really red because of this contour stick. It's more red than brown, and I really don't know how I feel about this. Okay, so I applied something else on the areas I put the contour. I look really funny. I look really funny, but somehow I feel like if it does goes bad, I will be able to fix it easily. I just have that feeling, so let's hope I'm right. I just blended my my cheekbone over here, and it's actually not so bad. Like, wait, I don't know if you guys can see it. The lighting is not so great. Okay, yeah, like here. And it actually doesn't look, I don't know why I thought I would look like some kind of smurf or something, but like it's actually not so bad. So like I'm gonna finish with the rest and meet you guys back here. Okay, so this is the result of blending, and I don't hate it, but it just looks kind of red. I feel like next time I'm just going to put on the brown parts, but it looks really red, and I'm just like, maybe when I put on concealer it will look better, but this is it for now. Okay, I am going to be reading another story. I went out of town for my best friend's wedding, in which I was a bridesmaid. I didn't take my boyfriend at the time as per request of the bride. It is her day, and considering my BF and I were on the outs at the time, I was not supposed to do this. I don't know what that means, considering they were on the outs at the time. I don't know. Anyways, he's an ADD kid. I don't know what that means. I mean, is it similar to ADHD? Maybe. and didn't get his meds refilled before I left town for 4 days. This is his meltdown. Oh, it sounds like it's about to get wild. Started off okay. We will text back and forth, but I wouldn't be able to reply as fast because duh, I'm helping with a wedding. I totally understand. I mean, I've never helped a wedding before, but like, I mean, weddings are not easy, so you know. He overdosed on Valium. I also don't know what that is, but I think I'll have to go check it out. And told me he was wandering around outside and then doesn't answer his phone for 6 hours. Oh damn, she must have been so worried. In which I'm panicking because I'm a 6-hour drive away from my home and I don't know if he's wandered off in his fucked up state or not. I break down. My best friend's stepdad and ex-cop sits with me and lets me know some options on what I can do from far away. Eventually, I sent my apartment manager over to see if he had left the house or not. Apparently, he had fallen asleep because he took so many drugs. The actual day of the ceremony, oh my god, he flips out again because I don't have time to talk to him at all. Understandable. Tensions are high for the wedding party as we are pushing to get the ceremony on its way. I leave my phone in my bag while I help the bride and groom. Come back to no less than 10 voicemails and 30 plus texts. Half of it incoherent style typing. This continues the whole weekend. Wow. I stop responding. Come home to find my blinds torn, DVD player smashed, cooking oil spilled all over my kitchen floor that he made me clean up because apparently it was my fault he knocked it over while I wasn't even in town. Oh my god. I'm still shocked on the fact that he made her clean it up. Like, did I just read that correctly? And my entire nail polish collection, over 50 colors, destroyed. I'm still finding cracked bottles. It's amazing how I haven't died from all these fumes. Yo, nail polish smells like hell. I don't even know how that happened. He didn't apologize for any of it. His only words were, he made me do it. If he hadn't ignored me, this would have never happened.
No. No. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. No. 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 Hell no. No. No.
We are no longer together, of course, but this is just one episode of many. Oh my god, are you serious right now? It's, oh my god, first of all, the gaslighting, the emotional manipulation, like, what? No, that's crazy. Look, when I read some of these crazy stories, I'm just like, how did people let such people, date them for so long? Like, I just don't believe that it's possible that you're dating such a psychopath and you would not have known, like, they would not have shown it. Like, aren't you scared for yourself? Like, these are people that could literally kill you and you dated them and now we are hearing a story on Reddit. Like, this could have gone so much worse, so much worse, and I'm just so surprised that, people don't see this coming. But then, at the same time, these people might be very good at hiding their intentions, so I don't blame them. So this one says, she made a key to my house and stole my dog after we broke up. She then called me and told me she found said dog running loose in my neighborhood. Neighbor had it all on video. Dog was very confused. I'm trying to do this orange, brown, ombre-ish look. I just hope it doesn't look too, bad. Well, I think I should be able to do it a little bit. Okay, so I ended up doing this like yellow, orange, brown, ombre-ish look. I mean, it's not very outspoken, but I think when I'm done and I really put my face in the light to be able to say it. Okay, so I just put on the first eyelash. I am so not good with eyelashes, but this was like actually not so bad, and I am not going out, so I really don't mind it like moving like an hour from now. Okay, maybe like 2 hours from now, that'll be fine with me. But like, yeah, let's try and make the same magic on this eye. I was gonna take like more crazy Reddit X stories, but I'm really running out of time, so I'm just gonna hurry up and finish my makeup. I'm just adding a little bit of blush here. I'm not adding as much as usual because I'm already into the, you know, cutesy look today, so it's more of like, you know, bold kind of look. It's not very obvious, is it? Like, oh, it is obvious. Like, I wasn't saying it at first, but as I looked in the camera, I could see it, but it's not so bad. Yeah. So I applied bronzer on my face off camera, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply. Why do I keep missing my words? I'm just gonna go ahead and apply highlighter quickly. I almost forgot that I am going to be baking, but I still have the powder, so that's it. I usually don't bake my face because I don't know, I don't think I know how to do it, but you know, today is for trying new things. I mistakenly overlined my lips. So that lip look was so horrible, like it was so bad, and I'm trying to clean it up and it's not really cleaning, but I'm gonna get through it. This is why I usually just go for lined lips and lip gloss, because it would never fail me. Anyways, I am done with today's look and I love it. Like, I really love it. I think I see the difference between this look and what my normal makeup looks to look like. I think it's the contour. I don't know, but I think I see the differences. But I do love this look. Like, it looks so good. And yeah, I think I'll be trying more of contour baking. I think that's like the only thing that I try differently. Contour baking and lashes, because these strings never go well for me, but today it did and I like it. So yeah, that is the end of today's video. Please rate my look because I love it. I mean, just tell me what you think, and yeah, I will see you guys next time. Ciao.